Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our snowboarding game. In this video we are going to be adding our characters lower part. So here is this. I found the lower part. Now I have to just add it up over here. I can move it. Also I have to add it into Ronnie, so it will be a child. When we zoom, yes, done. So now the Ronnie part is from the middle of it, yes. So now all we have to do is just add a new collider, capsule collider. Let's turn it. Okay. Direction horizontal, vertical. For example, if we put 3, 2, size 0.5, 0.1, 0.2, 0.15. Yes, it's like this is good. Now we have to turn it. Okay guys, we'll fix the collider for the next video. See you in the part 3. Bye bye.